Hey guys, welcome to Epic Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? Variable value types, string, number, boolean, undefined, and null. Let's start coding. We have learned how to declare and initialize a variable in our previous tutorials. Now we will have a look at what kind of values that we can assign to a variable. We have already talked about strings in our previous tutorial, but we have more types. We will talk about them in this tutorial. We will use string, number, boolean, undefined, and null as a value types in this tutorial. Let's declare some examples for each of them. Let me comment it out that one. Let's start from string. Let student name equal Mark. This is a string value. Let's save it and check on our browser. We just need to type here type of and variable name, student name. You see guys, it is a string. Let's have a look at another one. Let student age, let's say 10, and let's save it and let's check on our console. Type of and variable name, student age. You see guys, it is number. JavaScript call all numbers as a number. We don't have integer and float types in JavaScript as in other programming languages. Let's have a look at another type. Let school open true. That type is Boolean type. Boolean can be either true or false. Let's save and check type from our console. Type of school open. You see guys, it is a Boolean. Let's have a look at another one. Let teacher name and semicolon. Let's save it and have a look at it. Type of teacher name. You see guys, the value is undefined. We can create undefined like this, or we can type value as undefined specifically. It is completely up to you. Let's save it and have a look at it one more time. Type of teacher name. You see guys, it is undefined. We see type of that variable as a value of variable as you see. Let's have a look at another one. Let school name null. We use that one to clear value of variable specifically. For example, you can make value of variable empty after a specific submission. It is depend on project. Let's save and check type of it. Type of school name. And that type is object. Object is a reference type. We will have some other reference types too. We will have a look at them in future tutorials. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.